To create a two-color light effect on such an image in Photoshop, it's quite simple. First step, create a solid color. Choose the color you want. In blend mode, I use color. Next step, duplicate the color fill layer. Double-click on the color box to change the color, and then specify the desired color. Select the photo layer. I will edit the brightness and contrast on the photo to make it look a bit dark. And now, use the brush tool. Set the brush size. Make sure the black color is on top. In the brushness setting, I lowered the value to 66%. And for flow, I changed it to 45%. After that, rub the outermost area first. In the area where the two colors will meet, lower the opacity value on the brush. Rub slowly in the area. We can adjust the opacity as we need. We can reappear the area that has been rubbed by changing the white color on top. And if needed, we can use the blur tool on the area where the colors meet. And after I have edited the image, the result will be like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.